Hey guys, welcome to Airplane. Today we are flying from Dallas to New York on an American Airlines 737-800 in first class. Today we're trying out American's Kodiak product. The airport is not that crowded today. Project Kodiak is an improvement from Project Oasis. It only changes first class with the larger dividers to separate economy with extra legroom, more padded seats, a device holder, a USB, and more. Since this is taking place during COVID, there's a limited service. Here's our plane, November 991, November. A 737-800 built in 2016 and has spent its whole life with American. American said we were getting the 737 with the interior that had the IFE screens, but that turned out to be wrong. It's time for a seat tour. There's a literature pocket, a device holder that holds an iPad, there's a large seat back pocket, there's a drink tray that can hold drinks, there's a spring-loaded tray table, the tray table has a device holder that works on both sides. The seat is padded. It has a large headrest. The seat reclines a great amount. The power outlet is located next to the seat in the little storage bin. It's time to get going and push back. The takeoff and climb out was pretty bumpy because this was the day before the huge Texas storm. Let's take a look at the snack bag American gives you as you enter the plane. It contains water, pretzels, and a sanitizing wipe. For a drink, I received a ginger ale. The limited meal service had the choice of a cold sandwich or a cheese plate. Due to COVID, all the airlines have cut down on their meal service. For dessert, they gave us a cookie. Let's take a look at a movie and TV show selection on American. There's Wi-Fi, but I didn't buy it because it's expensive. This lavatory is larger than the small Rockwell Collins one in the back. Thanks for watching. See you soon.